The Clipper camping trailers by Coachmen are your ticket to fun and adventure. These pop-up campers are easy to tow, easy to store, and easy to love. Let's take a closer look. Inside, you'll immediately notice your 56 by 74 inch bed. At the foot of your bed, you'll find a large countertop with cabinet storage. Your entry door is located in the back of the trailer. Outside, be sure to make note of the pass-through storage space and roof rack for even more storage capability. And if you were curious, here's how to set it up. Look at how easy that is. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.